Casa, ahí creo que es
Old
por la
CV axle.
salida del asilo. La mano izquierda, ya ves cómo está una Ranger por
Old
ahí.
CV axle.
Una Ranger amarilla.
New
Ahí donde
CV
hicieron un
axle.
techo nuevo, que pasas ahí para el taller.
Alright, so the new sway bar, the new CV axle is installed. The old one is out. But now we have a little problem. The sway bar link is kind of damaged. It needs to be replaced. So I need to buy one from AutoZone. Gonna be maybe like $45, close to 50. So I need to do that. But yeah, but the brand new CV axle's in. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, sway bar, CV axle is installed. The new CV axle is installed. I ain't got no phone mount to hold this phone. So we're gonna see if the jerking gonna stop. Headed to the gas station now, but even though my mechanic friend drove the car, I still need to drive it for myself. All right, buddy. All right. There's a chicken, a rooster. Why did the chicken cross the road? I'm trying to get some speed, but all these people in my way. All right. This is the real test to see. Is the jerking finally gone? We are driving this car. So on my way to the gas station real quick, let y'all know that even though the brand new CV axle is in there, he also found that the lower ball joint and sway bar link for the passenger side is damaged. I can't look at the camera too much, but he said the sway bar link is damaged, and the lower ball joint on the passenger side is damaged. So I could either get it on Rock Auto, or I could get it on, might as well get it on Rock Auto, because that AutoZone for the sway bar link. Yeah, I felt it a little bit. All Alright. Still testing it out. Still testing it out. Yep. And did it again. I wonder if it's because of that sway bar, or joint. I felt it. Trying not to put so many miles on the Spark, but Torres is still giving some trouble because I felt it. I can't get into it as much as I want to. Sorry for the camera angle, but this is a big steering wheel. This steering wheel is bigger than the one on the Spark. I ain't got no phone mounts for this car. It's in the other car. Headed home now. I felt it once. And the way people are driving today, is crazy. They driving like the Super Bowl is on and they trying to hurry home. That's how they driving. Like they trying to hurry home to watch the Super Bowl. Alright. Windshield need cleaning. It's dirty. Driving one hand. Probably should have grabbed my GoPro, huh? Should grab that. While you're at it, I'm getting hungry. Like I said, I felt it once. It wasn't as hard as it normally be before this axle, before the new axle. Alright, so we're gonna drive it this week and give y'all an update on what's going on. Like I said, he said the sway bar link. Every time I try to record, Every time. Every time, bro. So besides the sway bar link and the lower ball joint, we're gonna see if this car's still jerking. It still jerked a little bit. When I was driving to the gas station, I did it a little bit. But I'm wondering, y'all could let me know in the comments if that's what it is. Is it because the sway bar link is loose or damaged and the lower ball joint is damaged? Is it because that's why it's still doing it, because of those two things? Let me know in the comments. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here, and subscribe for more updates, and until next time.